point of view, you can see the image of the uterus. This is uterus, endometrium canal, right ovary. As I am sweeping the probe downward, you can see the left ovary and urinary bladder. Urinary bladder, uterus, left ovary, cervical canal. If I move the probe, you can see easily, you can see the growth in the cervical canal. This is an growth in cervical canal. History of patient is bleeding since last 1 year. This is cervical canal. This is cervical canal, internal os, external os or vaginal. You can see the hyperechoic area with a rim around it. This is an hyperechoic area. This is a rim around this area. You can see the measurement 19 into 21. The dilation of cervical canal is 18 mm. Again, I am relating it to the endometrium canal. You can see this is endometrium canal. This is the lower part of the uterus, cervical canal. You can see the dilation of cervical canal measures 21 mm and the size of growth, and you can also say that the mass is 23 into 15 mm at the time of ultrasound. It can be an aggressive nature. Thank you so much. This is the case of the day.